my X-H2s just got here like 2 days ago and I haven't yet had an opportunity to take it on a photo shoot. So for today I set up a shoot with the S15 Silvia that I made a video about like 2 weeks ago. We're gonna go around Gibraltar, take some rollers and probably some shots up on the rock, and we'll see how the X-H2s is for photos and how the files look compared to my XT3.
Can you go to the right a bit? Thanks. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Chat, and I'm like, oh, lad, like, tell them, like, they're comfy seats, and I was just like, yeah.
Can you turn the lights on? Sorry. Yeah.
Section of his shirt was, yeah. Exhaust?
Yeah. It's just the middle box that hangs low.
Go a little back.
Oh wait, stay there. Stay.
This was all the footage I had from the day, but there's a couple more photos that the GoPro wasn't running for. The first one is the only photo that wasn't shot on the Sigma 18-50, which was shot on the Samyang 12mm, and we shot this on the first pass of the rollers while the GoPro wasn't filming for some reason, probably because I forgot to turn it on. But yeah, I really like this photo. I think it conveys a lot of the motion, and it's the only good photo from inside the tunnel. The other photos that I didn't share yet were more photos from the gas station. They're nothing special, but I just wanted to share all the photos from the day. With a lot of these photos, shooting a black car, it was really hard to keep the detail in the car while keeping the contrast in the photo and not losing on that side. So I had to pull the exposure and the shadows quite a lot. And topaz denoise actually helped me retain the image quality and manage the noise in the photos. Anyways, as I said, all the photos were shot on the Sigma 18-50 f2.8, which is right now my main lens. I sold basically every lens I had for the system. The only ones I have left is the Sigma 18-50, the Samyang 12mm, and the 7 Artisans 35 f1.2, which is recording this right now. I hope I nailed focus, I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah, the Sigma basically replaced all of my other prime lenses because it's sharp, it's easy to use, and it covers a great range. As I said, this was the first time I was using the X-H2s for photos, and I'm really happy with how it performed. I'm really happy with the ergonomics of the camera and the usability, but I was still a bit lost with it, and it will definitely take some time to adjust going from the X-T3 to the X-H2s. When it comes to image quality, it's not a big bump between the photos from the X-T3 and the X-H2s, and I wasn't expecting a much better quality with the photos. I bought this camera mainly for the video specifications, and if I was doing only photos, I would have stayed on the X-T3. One thing that was a lot better on the X-H2s was the autofocus, and the subject tracking for cars worked perfectly. And I think this helps a lot for this kind of shoots, where when I'm hanging out of a window of a moving car, I don't really want to adjust focus points. And if the camera can find the car for me, I would rather have that than have to manually move the focus point to be where I want it to be, as I had on the X-T3. Except using Lightroom to edit the photos and topaz denoise to help control some of the noise in some of the photos. I used the new Photoshop beta to take some stuff out of the photos, which worked really well. I haven't used it that much yet, but it worked much better than I was expecting, and not having to clone stamp things for like half an hour was really great and made the workflow much faster. Anyways, that's it for the video. Let me know which photos you liked the most, and what do you think about the X-H2s for photography. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.